Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. I'm Mary, and I'm really happy you're listening today.
Hi, everyone. My name is Tom. Thank you for spending your time with us.
Before we start, Tom, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, a little nervous, but also excited.
That's perfect, because nervousness is part of today's topic.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about how to build self-confidence in English.
If you feel shy, if you're afraid to speak, this conversation is for you.
Yes, you don't need perfect English. You just need the courage to begin.
Tom, let's start with a simple question. What does self-confidence mean to you?
For me, self-confidence means trusting yourself, even when you're not sure.
I like that. It's not about knowing everything. It's about believing you can learn.
Exactly. Confidence is not loud. It's quiet belief.
Many people feel scared when they speak English. Why do you think that happens?
Because they are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, they worry people will judge them.
And sometimes they judge themselves first.
That's very true. Our own thoughts can be the biggest problem. Let's talk about mistakes for a moment.
Most learners think mistakes are bad.
But mistakes are actually signs of learning.
Exactly. No mistakes means no growth.
When children learn a language, they make mistakes all the time.
And nobody laughs at them. They just keep speaking.
Tom, do you remember a funny mistake you made in English?
Oh, yes. I once said something very wrong, very confidently.
That's the most dangerous combination.
Everyone laughed, and I wanted to disappear.
But did you stop speaking after that?
No, actually, I remembered that sentence forever.
That's an important lesson. Confidence comes after action.
Yes, not before.
Many people say, I'll speak when I'm confident.
But confidence comes because you speak.
You don't wait for confidence, you create it. Let's make this practical. You don't need long sentences.
Short sentences are enough.
Hello, how are you?
That's already progress.
Confidence grows step by step, not all at once. Tom, many learners are very hard on themselves.
Yes, they say negative things in their head.
Like, my English is bad.
Or, I sound stupid.
That kind of self-talk kills confidence.
You need to change the voice in your head.
Instead of saying, my English is bad,
Say, my English is improving.
instead of, I'm afraid,
Say, I'm learning.
words matter, even inside your mind. Tom, were you confident when you first started English?
Not at all. I was very shy.
What helped you?
Time, practice, and patience.
That's encouraging because anyone can do that. Many learners compare themselves to others.
Yes, that's very common.
They see someone speaking fluently and feel bad.
But you don't see their journey, only their result.
Everyone's path is different. Perfection is not the goal.
Progress is the goal.
One new word a day is progress.
One sentence spoken is progress.
Small steps still move you forward. Tom, do you think confidence needs seriousness?
No, confidence loves humor.
Laugh at your mistakes.
They won't hurt you.
Fear gets smaller when you smile. We should say this clearly. Confidence takes time.
Yes, there is no shortcut.
Some days will feel good.
Some days will feel hard.
Both are normal. If you're listening right now,
And you feel shy.
please know this.
You are not alone.
Your English does not need to be perfect.
Your effort already matters.
So today, we talked about what self-confidence really is.
We talked about fear, mistakes, and small steps.
In the next part, we'll talk about how to practice daily.
And how to build habits that grow confidence.
Thank you for listening so far.
Take a deep breath. You're doing better than you think.
Let's continue from where we left off.
Yes. Now let's talk about daily practice.
Many people think practice must be long.
But short practice is powerful.
5 minutes every day is enough.
Consistency builds confidence.
Confidence grows when English becomes a habit,
Not something special, just something normal.
like brushing your teeth.
But hopefully more fun.
Hopefully, you don't need an audience.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need to speak.
Even speaking alone counts.
Talking to yourself helps a lot,
Yes, it feels strange at first.
but your brain listens.
And your confidence grows quietly.
Tom, have you ever talked to yourself in public?
Yes, and people stared at me.
That's confidence training on another level.
Exactly, free pressure practice.
Listening is also practice,
Podcasts help a lot.
especially slow podcasts.
Your ears learn before your mouth.
Movies are great teachers.
Start with subtitles.
Then remove them slowly.
Confidence follows understanding.
Songs are powerful.
They stay in your head.
You learn without trying.
And confidence feels natural.
Repeating sentences helps.
Yes, say them again and again.
Your mouth gets comfortable.
And fear slowly leaves.
Start with simple sentences.
Then slowly add more.
One idea at a time.
No rush.
Choose safe people.
People who encourage you.
Avoid negative voices.
Confidence needs safety.
A partner helps a lot.
Someone at the same level.
You grow together.
And laugh together.
Mistakes are funny sometimes.
Yes, and that's okay.
Laugh, then continue.
Confidence loves humor.
Your mindset needs daily care.
Like your body.
Positive thoughts matter.
Negative ones slow you down.
Say this every day.
I am improving.
My English is getting better.
I am brave enough to try.
Don't wait for free time.
Use small moments.
While walking, while cooking.
Small moments matter.
Use English in your daily life.
Change your phone language.
Write small notes in English.
Make English part of your world.
The more you practice,
The less fear you feel.
fear doesn't disappear fast.
But it gets quieter.
One day, you'll notice something.
You speak without thinking.
That moment feels amazing.
That's confidence growing.
Tom, do you still feel nervous sometimes?
Yes, sometimes.
And that's okay.
Confidence is not fear-free. It's fear-managed.
Be patient with yourself.
Don't rush the process.
Growth takes time.
But it always comes.
So today we talked about daily habits.
Short practice, fun learning.
In the next part,
We'll talk about mindset and thinking in English.
thank you for staying with us.
You're doing great. Keep going.
Let's talk about mindset now.
Yes, because confidence starts in the mind.
Before words come out,
Thoughts come first.
mindset is how you think.
About yourself and your abilities.
A negative mindset blocks confidence.
A growth mindset builds it.
A growth mindset says,
I can improve,
I'm not there yet.
but I will be.
Many learners wait for perfect English.
That wait is endless.
Perfection creates fear.
Progress creates confidence.
You don't need to be ready.
You become ready by doing.
Action creates clarity.
Silence creates doubt.
Let's talk about thinking in English.
This is a big step,
It feels hard at first.
but it changes everything.
Many learners translate in their head.
That slows them down.
Thinking in English feels faster.
And more confident.
Start with simple thoughts.
Like naming objects.
Chair, window.
Your brain adjusts.
Use daily moments to think in English.
While walking,
While cooking,
short thoughts are enough.
don't force full sentences.
One word is okay.
Pressure blocks progress.
Relaxed thinking builds flow.
Tom, Did your brain ever mix languages?
All the time.
That's normal.
My brain sometimes gives up,
Mine too. Your brain learns by repetition.
not by perfection.
Repetition creates comfort.
Comfort creates confidence.
Imagine speaking confidently.
Visualization helps.
Your brain practices first.
Then your mouth follows,
Fear often lives in the mind.
not in reality.
Most people are kind.
And busy with themselves.
People don't judge as much as we think.
They are thinking about themselves.
That's freeing.
Very freeing.
Mental blocks are habits.
They can be broken
Slowly.
with patience.
Meaning is more important than grammar.
People want to understand you.
Not check your rules.
Communication builds confidence.
Breathe before speaking.
Slow breathing calms the mind.
Calm mind, clear voice.
Confidence follows calm.
Perfect English doesn't exist.
Even natives make mistakes,
Imperfection is human.
and human is confident.
Celebrate small mental wins
Like thinking faster.
or fewer translations.
Those are big signs.
Your inner voice matters.
Be kind to it,
Encourage yourself.
like a good friend,
Confidence is a feeling.
not a skill,
Skills support it.
but belief fuels it.
Today, we talked about mindset.
Thinking in English and letting go of perfection.
In the next part,
We'll talk about real-life situations.
and confidence in public. That's the end of our episode, everyone. It was great talking with you.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned something useful.
See you again on the next episode of Podcast English Talk. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.